Yeah, I got this.
Did you get one? Yeah, there's dark clouds coming. Jack!
It's okay. Rain makes corn. Corn makes a whiskey. Whiskey makes your daddy feel real happy.
I just right here so I don't get wet.
That's a great idea.
You are so
Come
smart.
here and you won't get wet.
Ooh!
Where's that coming from?
You feel the rain, Bubba? Jack, say ah. Ah.
Buddha belly.
Buddha belly. Oh, I love his Buddha belly. He's gonna have a what? A purple chair? Hey, Jack. You like that rain? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. You're not getting wet?
How you think?
You think we should go inside?
Yummy.
You guys ready to go inside?
No.
Yeah, it's about that time, baby.
It's raining.
This rain's not bad, but if it comes to storm, you don't want to be out here.
Jackson Cole. Jack.
I ready to go in.
Yeah, we gotta go eat dinner anyway.
What time is
There goes your splash pad. I don't know. Splash, splash. Splash, splash. Yeah, you're okay.
for now?
You like the rain?
There you go, Jack. Put it in here.
I think it feels kind of good.